We are here at 515 Creekwood Circle today. This is a gorgeous piece of property. Huge yard, situated on the corner of a very quiet cul-de-sac in a very quiet neighborhood. As you can see, lots of nice homes around the neighborhood. Plenty of yard space around this home, even over on the side. Very well landscaped and manicured. This home has been well taken care of. We have a single garage, nice little front porch, soffitting and vinyl on the ceilings. All the way down, we also have gutters on this home. You'll notice it's a brick construction on the outside. And coming into the den, very well lit, beautiful wood flooring. Very nice sized room. Coming from the den area, we have the kitchenette and the garage to our right. Corian countertops. Lots of cabinetry. In this home. And this home has slide outs in the drawers. Let's see if I can open one of those and show you the little slide outs on both sides. Nice view from the kitchen area over into the kitchenette. Little pantry, we'll open that up in just a moment. And here's the laundry room off the kitchen with your hookups for your laundry, ready for you to bring your own laundry in washer and dryer. We have an A.O. Smith water heater, and you'll notice behind the door another door that goes out onto the Carolina room. And we'll visit that sunroom in just a moment. Plenty of cabinets. Let's take a look inside the pantry for you. Lots of shelving on the door and inside. And walk across to the garage. This is a single car garage with some workspace. To the back of the garage, lots of shelving already in place for you, pegboards for hanging things, bicycle racks, more hooks, and then right behind the light is a pull-down staircase where you will find some floored attic space for more storage. Getting back into the home from the garage, panning around, let's take a look at this sunroom. You'll notice the new vinyl windows all the way down, tile flooring, plenty of room for tables and couches to relax, ceiling fan, and a brand new heat and cooling system that was installed in May of 2020. We're going to take a trip outside to see the storage in just a little bit. That's the door going back into the laundry, and then coming back in. Let's go down the hallway. These beautiful floors run throughout the home. We have tiled floors in the bathroom. Very nice shower head. Very nice Corian countertops again. And cabinets above the toilet and the sink. Right next to that bath is a bedroom, very large bedroom, with double closets, ceiling fans in all the bedrooms, and this bedroom has its own bathroom. Vinyl windows throughout, and wonderful shelving in both closets. I love the shoe rack down below. That's very nice. Coming out of this room, we're going to go straight across the hall to the second bedroom that would have access right across the hall to the bath I showed you a few minutes ago. Ceiling fan, it's beautiful wood flooring that goes right on into the closet. It's already equipped with shelving for you. Coming out of this room, we'll take a trip to the end of the hall, but before doing so, right outside that room here in the hall, we have a very nice linen closet already shelved for you. And then bedroom number 3. As you can see, there's plenty of room. They have twin beds, plenty of room for bedside tables, chests to hold clothes, anything that you might need to put in here. And yes, another well-established closet for this bedroom. Ceiling fan again. Beautiful paint throughout the home. It's just move-in ready. This home is such a wonderful place to be. The neighborhood's quiet. You've got space in the yard and in the backyard, which is also extremely large. Oh, that cooling unit works so well. Let's come out here and come around. We have a beautiful little arbor area for a picnic table, for shaded picnics outside and grill. We have the shed. You have privacy fencing to your right and some more split rail fencing all the way around the property going out toward the front. Very spacious backyard. Wonderful for whatever, kids, pool, pets. Of course, the kids' pool and pets are not included with this sale. You must get your own on those. All right, inside the shop we have a wood flooring, very well strapped, some shelving, great work area, storage spot for your outdoor tools. And coming around, you'll notice beautiful homes, very well kept in the neighborhood. Gutters on the outside, the roof is in great shape. Condenser unit, it's an air quest, running nice, quiet. Beautiful trees. Right there alongside the cul-de-sac. People walking along the road, very friendly folks in the neighborhood. And once again on around to the front yard. Drainage ditches. This home has never had any kind of flood issues or anything like that. Just a gorgeous, peaceful setting with plenty of room for you. Call us today and make this oasis your paradise at the beach. Only about 15 minutes to the beach. You're there in a flash. So call us today and let us give you your personal tour of this very lovely home.